Hey everybody, welcome to my new camera. It's really exciting. It's an Osmo Pocket 2. I think they just dropped the Osmo. It's called the Pocket 2 now. It's pretty awesome. This is just gonna be a quick video. I just have a customer in finance right now, and they're buying this beautiful blue Seltos. Check it out. So they went with full ceramic coating. This is an EX Premium. It's absolutely beautiful. I just came out here. I usually give my customers just a little thank you note, and then I just give them a nice little phone cable, because you can plug these in. Of course, they have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, so just a small little cable, something small, just so they can plug their phone in and use it while I'm showing it how they can use it and all that. But yeah, let me know how the quality is. This is my first recording with it so far. It should be nice and smooth. Should be a lot better than the GoPro I was using before. I'm not sure about the audio. This can be a good test because we always have the road right there. That's very loud, so hopefully it does a better job canceling it. So, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Cars Sometimes, YouTube, of course, or just come see me at the dealership.